you in the pee with you today. My little baby girl. What are you doing? She like kicked her side, kicked her arm right out here, so she had to. Oh gosh, no.
We got a sneezy baby.
She was holding some in her mouth.
Got more?
She's down.
Are you done?
Is
there any other twinsies?
It was going everywhere. No. So we're the only ones. Right now, anyway.
Sticking your tongue out.
She said, hey. Hey, Daddy.